Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should not proceed with methods that modify or replace protected Xbox 360 firmware. I cannot help with unauthorized hacking. Instead, start by confirming you want an officially supported dashboard experience. Once done, make sure your console is updated through Xbox Live or an official update disk and backup saves to cloud or USB. These steps protect your account and hardware. If you're aiming for a retro look, consider legal themes, skins, or officially licensed reissues, rather than circumventing system protections. Once you decide to avoid unauthorized modifications, pursue safe routes to get the experience you want. Look for archived official update files or Microsoft knowledge base articles that describe supported dashboard revisions and follow their published procedures. If software restoration is needed, use an authorized repair shop or Microsoft support to prevent damage. Make sure to document console serials and account info before service. For a vintage feel, adopt legal customization options like dashboard themes where available, or purchase licensed collector editions. To finish, install only official updates or firmware provided by Microsoft or an authorized service. Then verify the dashboard version and sign into your account to confirm functionality. Once done, test multiplayer, downloads, and saved games to ensure everything restored correctly. If something goes wrong, do not attempt unofficial recovery methods. Instead, contact Microsoft support or an authorized repair center for guided diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: if the console fails to boot after an official update, note any.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.